一先好啲喎，唔會當住㗎。
Kaya nga.
Asa mo?
呢兩件可能真係我嗰度。可能。
Hindi pa ako naintindihan ng tao. Hindi pa ako pinapansin. Sabi pa niya, ganun-ganun lang. Kunin ko na daw yung...
Kunin mo yung aso ng tono. Yan pa.
Kunin ko na lang daw dyan na. Dyan, hanapin mo na.
Baka hindi allowed. Baka wala silang ganun. Porter.
Ay, meron. Meron lang nga nagano, busy lang siguro na. Kasi meron galing Kuala Lumpur.
What is siguro mean?
Maybe. There is, but yung nagano siya, nagbabiyahe siya, yung nagano siya.
You see here in Hong Kong, Singapore, they really, there are people here.
It's
Very
clean
highly
here.
to work in their company. Not same in the Philippines, if you become like 60 years, okay, you cannot, look at it, the 60 years old, you can work.
100%. And can I tell you something that's changed in England as well? When you go into UK now, when you go to the supermarkets in the United Kingdom, in London, in Liverpool, in Manchester,
In France also.
the people that's serving you on the till and on the counter are all seniors, 65, 70 plus.